Welcome! In front of me I have Realme Watch 3 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to measure the heart rate on this watch. Before we start, if you want to get the most accurate results of your measurements, make sure to put your watch on your wrist, secure it tightly so it doesn't move around, and while you're measuring your heart rate, try not to move too much. Also be aware, or rather try to secure it on your wrist about 2 fingers away from your palm, somewhere like that. Okay, I'm just gonna put my finger on the sensor right here on the back of the watch, but because of that, my results might be not too accurate. Now, let's continue with the measurement. So first thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. And once you wake up the screen, you can press the side button again to open the menu. Now, scroll through this menu, find the option called the heart rate, and tap on it. And the watch should start measuring the heart rate automatically. So I'm gonna put my finger on the sensor. And after a couple of seconds, you should have your result. If you want to measure the heart rate again, you can tap on this button right here. Also, you have the graph right here to check the progress through the whole day, basically. And once you're done, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you measure the heart rate on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.